how to fix audio issues with the DAZN app. Now you can check your volume, so make sure your phone or tablet volume is turned up, and check silent mode, so if your device is on silent or vibrate, turn it off. Now you can restart the app, so close the DAZN app completely, then reopen it and check the sounds again. Now restart your device, turn off your phone or tablet, wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Now you can check the Bluetooth device too. So if a Bluetooth speaker or headset is connected, sound may go there. Disconnect any Bluetooth devices and try again. Now you can update the DAZN app, so go to the App Store or Play Store and now search for the DAZN and tap Update if available. You can clear the cache, Android only, so go to Settings, then Apps, then DAZN, then tap on Storage, tap on Clear Cache. This will not delete your account. Now you can reinstall the app, so you install the DAZN from your device, then reinstall it from the App Store or Play Store. Now you can try another video, so play a different watch or a different match or show in DAZN. Sometimes the issue is with one video only. Finally, contact DAZN support. So if none of this works, now you can contact DAZN support from their app or websites. They can help with account or device issues. And this is how to fix all your issues with the DAZN app. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.